You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -16/5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -5. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is x equals -16/5.